There is a multi-million-dollar trap waiting for you right now in the cleaning aisle of your local supermarket or hardware store. You have almost certainly seen them, those neat white plastic tubs marketed under household names like Damprid. Inside, there is a layer of clean white crystals, and underneath, an empty reservoir designed to catch water. They are marketed as the ultimate convenience for eliminating that musty, stale odor from your closets, basements, or bathrooms before mold and mildew completely destroy your valuable belongings. Each of these branded tubs will cost you anywhere between $12 and $18. The packaging tells you exactly what to do. Place it in a damp room, wait for the crystals to completely dissolve into liquid, throw the entire plastic container into the trash, and come back to buy another one. It is a brilliant, highly profitable, recurring business model. But if you read the fine print or understand basic chemistry, you will realize you are being fundamentally cheated. The magical, moisture-absorbing miracle compound inside that expensive branded tub is actually nothing more than calcium chloride. This is a common inorganic salt available in massive bulk bags at any local pool supply store, farm outlet, or hardware shop for approximately $4. The disposable moisture absorber industry relies entirely on a single factor, keeping you completely blind to the raw material inside. They buy this basic industrial salt in bulk, package it into cheap plastic containers, and resell it to desperate homeowners at 3 to 4 times its actual market value, trapping you in a perpetual cycle of unnecessary spending. To understand why this basic chemical compound is so incredibly effective, we must first examine the hidden enemy lurking inside your home. Excess indoor humidity is not just an annoying cleaning issue. It is a serious chemical problem that silently compromises structural integrity. When relative humidity levels rise above 60%, invisible mold spores that are constantly floating in the air begin to aggressively colonize surfaces within 24 to 48 hours. This moisture penetrates deep into organic wood fibers, warps expensive leather jackets, oxidizes vulnerable metal tools, and permanently degrades delicate electronic components inside your closets or storage units. This is exactly where the beautiful chemistry of calcium chloride comes into play. Chemists officially classify calcium chloride as a highly hygroscopic salt, meaning it possesses an extraordinarily powerful natural affinity for surrounding water molecules. The moment these dry crystals are exposed to humid air, the calcium and chloride ions on the surface immediately begin attracting water vapor, binding them tightly at a molecular level. As the process continues, the crystals absorb so much moisture that they undergo a fascinating chemical transition known as deliquescence. They literally dissolve into the very water they extracted from the air, creating a heavy brine solution. Amazingly, documented chemical research proves that calcium chloride can successfully absorb up to 6 times its own weight in water. This completely outperforms those tiny silica gel packets found in commercial shoeboxes, which max out at 30%. It operates entirely passively, requiring 0 electricity, 0 noisy compressors, and 0 mechanical parts. Now that you understand the underlying chemical science, you can easily completely bypass the commercial market and construct your own highly efficient passive dehumidifier at home using $4 of raw material. All you need to purchase is a standard bag of industrial calcium chloride pellets or flakes. Just make absolutely sure to avoid the powdered form, which cakes instantly. Next, locate a container setup that can naturally separate the solid crystals from the liquid brine they will inevitably produce. The absolute simplest, most elegant version utilizing items you already own involves a standard plastic kitchen colander and a matching mixing bowl of the same approximate diameter. Simply nestle the colander securely inside the bowl and fill the upper basket with your calcium chloride crystals until it is roughly 2 to 3 inches deep. As the ambient air circulates, the crystals will quietly perform their job, absorbing moisture and transforming into liquid brine that cleanly drips through the holes into the reservoir below. The exposed crystals on top will continue working continuously until they are entirely dissolved. One single homemade colander unit is perfectly capable of managing a standard bedroom, walk-in closet, or enclosed vehicle. However, because this is a passive system without an integrated mechanical fan, it cannot actively pull air from across a massive house. It effectively dehumidifies an immediate radius of 3 to 5 feet. For large basements or highly humid environments, simply place multiple units around the perimeter to create an incredibly cheap, highly effective moisture trapping network. Here is the absolute game-changing secret that the multi-billion-dollar disposable moisture absorber industry desperately hopes you will never discover. When your homemade system has finished its cycle and the colander contains nothing but empty space, the calcium chloride is not actually gone. It has not degraded, it has not expired, and its chemical properties remain completely intact. It is simply trapped in a liquid state, holding all the water it rescued from your environment. Because this chemical bond is entirely reversible, applying thermal energy will easily drive the captured water molecules right back out, fully restoring the salt to its original, highly reactive dry state. To execute this simple regeneration process in your kitchen, carefully pour the liquid brine from your collection bowl into a shallow, oven-safe glass baking dish. Avoid cheap metals that might react over time. Preheat your kitchen oven to between 300 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is roughly 150 to 200 degrees Celsius, and slide the dish inside. Let it bake undisturbed for 1 to 3 hours. As the internal temperature rises, the trapped water cleanly evaporates away through the oven vent, leaving behind a perfectly dry, solid crust of pure, reconstituted calcium chloride. Once the dish cools down completely, simply break the hardened crust back into reusable pellets, store them in a tightly sealed airtight container, and refill your colander. You can cycle the exact same $4 of chemical material through this absorption and baking loop indefinitely. While this DIY method is incredibly powerful, achieving true long-term success requires implementing a few basic, common-sense household safety precautions. First, remember that during the oven baking process, a massive volume of moisture is being actively driven out. Always ensure excellent kitchen ventilation by opening a nearby window or running your range hood, otherwise your house will absorb the very humidity you just extracted. Second, remember that concentrated calcium chloride can cause minor skin irritation, so handle the dry crystals with gloves and keep the liquid brine safely away from curious pets or small children. Finally, understand that while this passive chemical trick is absolutely perfect for ongoing maintenance in closets, RVs, and storage units, it is not a magical cure for a flooded basement with active foundation leaks. It is designed to expertly prevent structural dampness, not remedy major disasters. Real household hacks like this prove that with just a little bit of basic chemistry, you can easily outsmart massive corporate marketing and save hundreds of dollars every single year. If you appreciate discovering these honest, science-backed methods for taking control of your home without breaking the bank, please take a quick second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel right now. We are completely dedicated to pulling back the curtain on everyday products and bringing you the full, unvarnished truth. Turning on notifications ensures you never miss our next practical breakthrough. So join our growing community today, and I will definitely see you in the next video.